What's up, everybody? So this video, I am doing the intro because it is super windy outside. I have my sidekick along with me. We have a couple final walkthroughs and closing for clients. So in between, I was able to film this, but it's super windy, like I said. So created this intro here in my car. But just in case it didn't come across in the video very well, I'm out in Parrish, Florida, Morgan's Glen community, which is right off of Moccasin Wallow, and 301 is a gated community. And the floor plan we're going to talk about and walk through today is the Brighton floor plan by Cardel Homes. This particular property is currently listed at $557,260. There is an HOA fee there of $210 per month. CDD fee was $24.40 per year. And current incentives at time of filming is $20,000 flex cash that you can use to either buy down the rate, pay the closing costs, or reduce the purchase price. So let's start the tour. All right, because it's so windy, I'm just gonna do a quick pan around and then we'll talk about everything once we get inside. So I apologize for the wind. Let's get inside, take a look at this one, and then, like I said, I will go over all of the details. Nice stonework on the front here on the entryway. Let's go inside and let me know what you think about this one. All right, so you come in the front door, you have the wood-like tile floor, nice wide hallways, a little chandelier there. And this one is built by Cardel Homes. It is the Brighton floor plan. And in the Morgan's Glen community in Parrish, Florida, it is a gated community. This particular property is obviously available, currently listed at $557,260. At the time of filming, there is a $20,000 incentive flex cash, so you can use that to reduce the purchase price, pay closing costs, buy down interest rates, or a combination of everything. So you get your quartz countertops, your black hardware, the tile all the way up to the ceiling, which I really, really like. Nice window, and then your niche in the wall there. And then a bedroom number 2 right here. And then this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,010 square feet. Just a standard closet. Get your gray carpet. The HOA fees here are $210.42 per month. And there is a CDD fee of $2,440. All right, let's go in here. Got your 2-car garage here. Hurricane shutters here in the corner, just the corrugated metal. And then your water heater and air handler in the corner there. Pretty sure I covered all the major details. So I'm so used to doing it before I come in the house, trying to do that as I'm walking through. But if I didn't, just ask me. All right, so you got a linen closet here. Then you have a flex room right here. You do have the French doors with the glass in them. So this could be used as an office, or if you needed a 4th bedroom, put it in the closet, you could do so. So laundry room would be here. You do have access into the master suite from here as well, which will come in and enter there from the main bedroom. All right, continuing on. I love these wide hallways. So coming on in, kitchen here. You have the gray cabinets for the island, quartz countertops, and then the white cabinets. The gray glass tile backsplash. Obviously your refrigerator would go there. And then you have your pantry there. It is electric community here, so you have your Whirlpool stainless steel range there, and then your microwave above. And then in the island, you have your dishwasher, your big single bowl undermount sink. I love this gray. I even love this cabinet right here. It's to put your pans or, sheet pans or whatever. And then your little dining area right here. Nice amount of windows to let some light in. And then your family room / living room right here. You do have power in the floor. Nice triple sliders, which we'll go out there in a minute and deal with the wind again. All right, main bedroom. You have your 2 windows there and then a couple windows that wall. So obviously you put your bed on that wall facing towards this wall. And then into the bathroom. So that same wood-like tile floor, got your dual vanities, the white cabinets, mirrors there, the windows in between, let some nice light in. And then you have your shower here, tile all the way up. So no tub in this one, at least in the main bathroom. And then your toilet there. And then your walk-in closet, which leads out to the laundry room. All right, so let's go take a look outside. And once again, this is the Brighton floor plan by Cardel Homes. You got your triple sliders. I don't stay inside as much as I can right here. Just kind of show you this. Your covered lanai. That way the wind isn't beating us completely. And then you have your backyard here, which is actually, for new construction, this backyard is actually a pretty decent size where you could put a pool in if you wanted to. Nobody directly behind you except that barn from somebody else's property. And then you have this corner lot here. So there's a view of this one. We'll walk over here, show you this side. Oh, that wind picking up. Sorry about that. I'll come over here, show you this side. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it.